my dear viewers. I'm Vasanthi calling from Devi Abhirami channel. Please do subscribe, share, post your golden comments. I'm awaiting for your golden comments. How are you? Stay blessed. God bless all of you. Our office is in Pondicherry actually, and the viewers who are watching this can come for a training of the subconscious power of subconscious mind to activate your subconscious mind as well as activating your 7 chakras in human body. What is the benefits? What are the benefits of activating 7 chakras? It is immensely important, my dear viewers, our friends. It is immensely important. For what? Why do we want to activate 7 chakras? It's very important actually. It's the foundation of our mind and body. It's a connectivity. It's a bridge between our mind and body. It helps to develop, improve our mind and body. If our mind and body are good or in a good state, you can achieve anything, whatever you want. Your desires will immensely be achieved at a very spontaneous time. Within a short span, you can activate everything. While activating your 7 chakras, things will be very easily. It will your life will go very smoothly, very happily, and whatever you desire, it will come automatically. The cosmic energy, it will try to give you. If the chakras are activated, it will try to give you at a very short span. All are praying for God. All the people, all the individuals, we pray for God. But 50% of the individuals, they get materialized. 50% are not getting materialized. They always tell, why do I have this? My God, my Almighty, I pray daily. But what has happened to me? My desires are not fulfilling. If you ask this question, you should just activate your chakras, 7 chakras. This is very important. Today we are going to talk about a very important chakra, a vital chakra. That is Mooladhara chakra. It's the first chakra. It is at the spine actually. Mooladhara chakra is in spine actually. In human body, it is in spine. What we have to do is, we have to activate. We have to connect our body or spirit or physic with God. To do that, what you should do? Mooladhara chakra is a design of a lotus with 4 petals. Okay. Then it is and it has a design of a triangle which is in inverted shape. The triangle which is in inverted shape, that point is, the tip is the root, and the lines which is expanding like V, that is the consciousness that we are receiving, antenna that we are receiving all the positive energy from cosmic energy. What is that bija? Lam, 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 lam. And what color it is? Mooladhara chakra is red in color. It also indicates Parasakti. Sakti is, Goddess Sakti is always in red color. So, it connects the Paramasivan and Sakti in 2 forms. They are single actually. Only that it will make you, your mind, your physic, with giving connection to a very easy antenna. You can tell it is a very easy antenna. That chakra is a very easy antenna. Once you activate it, all the cosmic energy, God's blessings, all your desires, all it will come. What are the benefits of activating Mooladhara chakra? You will feel very, you will have a vital life. You will always be very speed. You will always be very enthusiastic. You will not feel lazy. You will speed up all the work within a minute. Others will be doing for 2 hours. You will have your presence of mind immediately, spontaneous presence of mind. Your conscious as well as your physical appearance will be mesmerizing. Whether it's dark, it's a dusk color, or it's a fair color. You will have that beautiful mesmerism for all the people. You will have your Sarvakarya Siddhi. You will have your Sarva Jana Vasiyam, and you will have all the desires fulfilled. Okay, I shall give my number in a description box. Please do contact me for your classes through online. Thank you, my dear viewers. Thank you. Bye. Stay blessed. Stay blessed. Bye.